Hey everyone, it's Jasmine Chanel bringing you another YouTube video. This video I will be cooking a meal for my husband. Lucky enough, he's able to come home for his lunch break, so I have about 30 minutes to dish something up. Every now and then he wants something other than sandwiches and chips, so I'm going to show you how to make a quick meal using chicken and a bunch of vegetables, things you can find in your refrigerator. And the thing I love most about this meal is for leftovers, you can turn it into fried rice by just adding an egg. So let's get started.
In my refrigerator, I found carrots, a zucchini that needs desperate use, red onions, red and green peppers, red wine tomatoes, garlic, and of course chicken. I'm using boneless breast for this dish. I've already sliced up the red onions and the green peppers, and I thought the red wine tomatoes would add some moisture as well as giving the dish more of a vegetable flavor. So I diced the red wine tomatoes in small to medium chunks.
I will be using wok for this dish. What is great is it cooks really fast and it gets really hot, so be careful with that. So I've already cooked my rice. Good thing about a rice cooker, I got that going early as I started slicing up my vegetables. I got that going. And a tip that my guests always love is adding garlic, minced up garlic and butter to your rice. It just adds so much more flavor. Of course, before I cook the rice, I clean the rice. So don't forget to get all that extra starch out, and your water should be clear after you just keep on rinsing out that rice. Very important. Don't forget to clean your rice. Got mostly everything already cut up, so I'm just going to go ahead and go in with my zucchini that just desperately needs to be cooked and used. Just get it nice and hot. I want to do the vegetables first. I'm going to add in a beautiful variety of vegetables we cut up earlier. Zucchini, tomatoes are coming in after, but we got the carrots, onions. Smells so good. Just a little bit longer, plate ready. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish sauteing the vegetables, set them aside. I don't even need to wipe out the bowl, but I'll add more olive oil and then we'll get started with the chicken. And the chicken won't take long at all. And then we're going to add everything back together again with the chicken, so we don't want to overcook this. let that cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. And there's your stir fry on top of rice. And you can easily pair this with a salad. Sometimes I like to do like a mixed green with tomatoes and cucumber tossed in olive oil and then vinegar. But my husband's hungry, so I don't have time to make a salad. But we're just gonna put this on top of our rice that we made in our rice cooker. And that's about it. Seriously, who needs takeout when you could just cook for your husband? And there you have it. Dinner for you.